In today's video, we're going to take this plumbing that comes with the pool and make it look like this. Let me show you how I did it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I got a really cool video for you today, something I've been planning for a very long time. We got the new pool installed. I want to show you my ideas of how I want to plumb this pool to maybe give you some ideas. If you're not already subscribed, I suggest you hit that subscribe for me. It helps the channel out big time. Throw us a thumbs up. It helps the rankings in these videos get out there to more people. First things first, this is probably gonna be a 2-day project because I need to drain some of the water out of the pool to be able to access the inlets that I want to start cutting today. So if you make it to the end of the video, I'm going to do a special giveaway, which I've never done before, and I'm pretty excited about doing that. So if you can make it through the whole video, and at the end you'll see the giveaway, and you could be a part of that giveaway. Okay, so it is the next morning, and I'm going to try to make this video before the rain hits. I got the water lowered below this level here, because what I'm going to do today is I'm going to remove this that comes with the pool, and I'm going to plumb it a combination of PVC and flex hose. But the first thing I'm going to do is make these holes bigger. I want to get better flow coming through here. The biggest reason I do this upgrade to my pool, I want to have different options. I want to be able to just suck water through the inlets here and maybe have the skimmer off at certain times, whether the kids are playing in the pool or whatever reason. Or sometimes I like to have the skimmer going and I can close these off. I have that option to do with this, and I just get much better flow if I have both open. I did not film me doing the Hayward Skimmer on this video because it would make the video a lot longer. My goal is to try to make this video as short as possible and be as informative as possible. So I will link this video, which I did on my old pool. Wasn't going to film it again, but I have a video on my Hayward installation, and I will link that in the description of this video. So first things first, I need to remove the old hoses here and start cutting some holes. So here's everything I'm going to need for what I'm doing today. Don't worry, you don't have to take a screenshot. I will list all of this in the description. I'll make a full list of everything here. So the first part of all of this is we need to use this as a template, because that's how much bigger the hole's about to be, right there. So we're going to put that up there. Just like that. Now again, this is the part that makes a lot of people nervous, but it really is simple. That's, you know, when you do the skimmer, you got to cut into the liner anyways. You just kind of hold on to this and just go slow. Make sure your blade is really tight in there, not moving, and clean. This goes in here like this, and then you push it through. It might not fit the first time. You might have to cut a little bit more. We'll see. That is a perfect snug fit. Then you tighten this down. That is what that looks like when it's done. There's one, and there's the other. Here's one more thing I wanted to talk about. These O-rings, they're really good. See how thick they are? I'm going to link where I found these on Amazon. These work great. I'm going to use probably, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 of them today. I'm not sure. But these work great just to give you that. Look, it lines up perfectly. And again, I'll link that. And then you put the hose on here. It just gets a better seal. So with this, I went ahead and put the hose on there just like this. And I got a really good snug right there. I'm going to line that up as best I can and then screw it on. See, the cool thing about these is these lock. So if you want to shut this down, you just lock it from right here. So now the hoses, the flexible hoses are on. It's time to glue all the PVC. I'm not going to videotape that. I don't want to waste your time, but I'll show you what it looks like here when I'm done. And I pre-measured. I just kind of, I measured the inlet holes, and then I kind of mocked it all up, and then that's how I came up with my measurements. So you might do it a little bit differently. That's why I'm not going to give specific measurements on those pieces. That's the easy part. So this is what it looks like completely glued. So now it's time to tie it all together. These adapters, when you buy them, they come with these washers. Just put that on the end. So now I need to begin to tie in this with another adapter. Got the O-ring in there. I do want to make a quick note on this. If I were to do this over again, I would lower where the T is to about here. So it's just a straight line coming in, but I have to dip it a little bit to meet the PVC. So again, if you're going to do a similar setup, I would add an extension here and lower the T to about right here. And then you can get away with the 12-inch flexible hose for your connection from here to your pump. There you go. So this is what it's looking like, and it's all coming together. Quick note. Once you get those in and you can lock the plungers, start filling your pool back up. That way you can test it pretty quickly. So one more thing, I think I'm going to add a post right here, just a pole. I'm going to dig into the ground, real small pole, and like zip tie to that PVC. The cool thing about this is it's not going anywhere. The kids can go crazy in the pool. This is all attached right here. It ain't going nowhere. But I think I'm going to put that pole there so it doesn't keep smacking the pool like that. That worked out perfectly. I had a metal rod sitting in my shop. I drilled a little hole in the side, zip tied it. No longer going to smack that metal frame. So now we have to wait, let the water fill up. I have them locked right now. I'll wait till the water is above those holes and we'll test it out for leaks. It is complete. I checked it for leaks. There's 0 leaks. It's still filling, so the water's not up to the skimmer. So I have the skimmer valve closed, but both of these are wide open. The pump is running. The pool is back to filling. I got 2 hoses in there. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching another video. If you have any questions or comments, please make a comment. And talking about comments, that brings me to the next step, the giveaway. So this channel has grown to what it is because of people like you who are searching out videos like this and supporting the channel. So I'm going to do my first giveaway ever. A Craft Tech handheld pool vacuum. This thing is awesome. It charges quickly. It sucks up everything in the pool, sand, everything. So I'm going to ship this to a subscriber. Basically, all you have to do to enter is subscribe, leave a comment, and in the comment, give me a thumbs up in the comment. That lets me know that you're one of those people. And then like the video if you would. And I'm going to ship this out in mid-June. Probably be the second week of June. I am going to pick a winner. I'll make a quick little video showing you who won, and we'll send it out as a thank you. So again, thank you for supporting this channel. And if you have any questions on this video, please leave it. I'll answer it. Have a blessed day.